Hi, I'm Dave Buggy, founder and president of Strava Technology Group, a leading Microsoft Dynamics 365 partner. Today, I'm going to be taking you through the Microsoft Dynamics 365 pricing and licensing information updated for 2021. First, a little bit about Strava. We're 100% focused on Microsoft-powered CRM technology, including the Dynamics 365 and Power CRM platforms. We have over 17 years of experience implementing customer relationship management technology for businesses of all sizes and in all industries. We have a staff of senior level resources with many years of customer relationship management experience. We don't view our role as purely technology enablers. We're very consultative throughout the entire project, and we always like to say that we go deeper than the technology to provide solutions to real business challenges. We're a Microsoft managed partner, only one of 125 worldwide. We're also a Tier 1 Microsoft Cloud Solutions provider, the highest level a partner can rise to in the Cloud Solution Provider program. Our focus is on solutions and success, not on billable hours. The Dynamics 365 platform is a large software platform for business applications. It includes modules for sales, marketing, customer service, field service, accounting and ERP, HR, commerce, project operations, remote assist, and more. In this video, we will focus on just the customer engagement areas of the platform, which is the sales, marketing, customer service, and field service areas of the product. There are two Microsoft-powered CRM solutions. One is Microsoft Dynamics 365. It's an enterprise customer relationship management platform with modules for marketing, sales, customer service, field service, and project management. Pricing for Dynamics 365 sales is $65 or $95 per user per month. Customer service is $50 or $95 per user per month. The marketing module is either $750 or $1,500 per month. There is no per user fee on the marketing module. We're going to cover these in detail in a few moments. You can also select Click Dimensions marketing automation, and that platform is $499 per month or $699 per month. Again, no per user fee. Implementation services for Dynamics 365 for a custom implementation range on average from $1,000 to $5,000 per licensed user for upfront implementation services. We, however, offer fast-track implementation services, which are fixed cost and fixed scope rapid implementation project services. For the sales module, our fast track is $14,995, for customer service, $99.95, or marketing, $79.95. Ongoing, it's $79.95 per user per month. That provides access to the Fast Track functionality that's included in the Fast Track program, along with Inside View Insights, which is a sales intelligence product that's fully integrated inside Dynamics 365. The second available solution is Power CRM. Power CRM is very similar to Dynamics 365. In fact, they share the same user interface, Outlook integration, and run on the same platform. Licensing can be combined with both Power CRM and Dynamics 365 licensing. That enables you to license each user with a specific level of functionality and cost. That enables you to license each user with the specific level of functionality that each user requires. For example, you could use the Power CRM sales licensing, but if you also need field service, which is a more advanced or more complex module, that is a Dynamics 365 module and can be added on top of Power CRM. Power CRM is a Microsoft-powered customer relationship management application. It's very similar to Dynamics 365. In fact, it runs on the exact same platform and shares the exact same database as Dynamics 365. Power CRM was built for the small to medium-sized business, or SMB. It also is a great fit for departmental rollouts in enterprise businesses. Power CRM also includes marketing, sales, customer service, and light project management. Pricing for Power CRM for Core is $24.99 per user per month. Consider that a contact management level access to the product. Our full sales and customer service license is $49.99 per user per month. You have a choice in marketing automation for Power CRM. One is the MailChimp integration, $99 per month, no per user fee, requires a MailChimp subscription. Or ClickDimensions, which is either $499 per month or $699 per month for the business level subscription. Implementation services for Power CRM range from $500 to $2,000 per licensed user. We also offer fast track services for Power CRM. For the sales and customer service fast track, it's $99.95. For marketing, $69.95. Ongoing, $59.95 per user per month enables users for continued access to the fast track functionality as well as ongoing support. Inside View Insight Sales Intelligence is built in to the Power CRM full user license at $49.99 per user per month. Power CRM and Dynamics 365 licenses can be combined. This allows you to license each user with the exact functionality level needed. Here's a high-level functionality comparison between Dynamics 365 and Power CRM. Power CRM and Dynamics 365 licensing can be combined in a single system to provide each user with specific level of functionality needed. Power CRM was built for the small and medium-sized business. One of the big differences between Power CRM and Dynamics 365 is that Power CRM is pre-configured out of the box with full best practice sales process. This provides small and mid-sized businesses with best practice configurable sales process from prospect through opportunity and then ongoing customer account management. This saves the small to mid-sized business a significant cost of building sales process and usually accomplished by hiring consultants. Another big difference is Power CRM comes with Inside View Insight Sales Intelligence built in. This gives users access to the leading B2B database right inside of the Power CRM application. Let's jump in and look at pricing and licensing information for Dynamics 365. First, let's cover the different types of license agreements that Dynamics 365 can be purchased on. On the left, you'll see each license agreement type, a bit of information about each, and then where each license type is purchased from. Starting at the top, the Enterprise Agreement, commonly referred to as an EA, is for 1,000 or more licenses of any Microsoft product. An Enterprise Agreement needs to be purchased from Microsoft directly. A Microsoft Products and Services Agreement, otherwise known as MPSA, is for those businesses that have 250 or more licenses of any Microsoft product. Those licenses are purchased through what's called a Microsoft Large Account Reseller, or LAR. The Cloud Solution Provider, or CSP program, is where most clients will purchase their licensing. That's the Microsoft Cloud licensing for any Microsoft product, Office 365, Dynamics 365, Azure, Business Central, and more. Those are purchased through a Microsoft partner like Strava Technology Group. We're a Tier 1 Microsoft Cloud Solution Provider. Open licensing is mainly for on-premise versions of Microsoft products like Windows Server, SQL, and the Dynamics 365 on-premise version of the product. That can also be purchased from a Microsoft partner like Strava Technology Group. For educational, government, and not-for-profit, there's special pricing for each of those organization types. Those would be purchased from Microsoft directly. Let's talk about professional versus enterprise. For Dynamics 365 sales and customer service, there are two different license types. One is the professional level. The other is the enterprise level. This determines the specific functionality for both sales and customer service that you're entitled to with each type of license. Enterprise includes more advanced functionality. Professional has some additional limitations that you need to be aware of. One is that you can only have 15 custom entities with the professional license. You can also only have 5 business process flows, 2 versions of forms or screens per entity, a maximum of 15 queues. All licenses must be the same type. You cannot mix and match Pro and Enterprise. Let's take a quick look at some of the functionality that only comes with the Enterprise version of the license for Dynamics 365 sales and customer service. I won't read this slide, but I'll give you a minute to look it over. An additional license level is called the Team Member License. A Team Member License is a light user license, best for casual users, some executives, and other users needing access to only the main entities in Dynamics 365. Those would be account, contact, and activity. On the left, you'll see the restricted functionality with the Sales Team Member License. The important items to note there is that the team member does not have access to cases, leads, sales opportunities, nor reports or dashboards. On the Customer Service Team Member License, those users do not have access to service scheduling, case management, or again, reports and dashboards. Next, we'll talk about base and attached licenses. A base license is the first business application license purchased at the standard price for each user. Purchasing multiple business applications or modules of Dynamics 365, the base license must be the higher price license. Each user must have one base license. In some cases, a user may need to have multiple base licenses. For example, Project Service Automation is not available as an attached license. So if you have a user that needs a sales license and licensing for Project Service Automation, you would need 2 base licenses for that user. Next, if a user needs additional functionality, you can obtain that by adding an attached license at a significantly reduced price. This allows you to add functionality, and users may have as many attached licenses as they need. Each attached license can only be assigned to a user with the qualifying prerequisite base license. If a user doesn't have the required base license, you'll not be able to assign the attached license to that user. Let's take a quick look at Dynamics 365 base and attached licenses. This chart shows the qualifying base license and those that can be added as an attached license. Let's go through some scenarios. A user needs sales functionality. In that case, you'd first decide between professional or enterprise on the sales license. This will become the base license. Another user needs customer service functionality. Remember, all licenses must be either pro or enterprise and cannot be mixed. If you chose sales professional for the first scenario, then you would only be able to choose customer service professional for this user. Let's consider the sales user will be licensed with a sales professional base license and then needs to add customer service functionality to that same user. You would purchase the Sales Pro base license, and then you would purchase the customer service attached license. Any of the licenses on the top portion of this chart can be used as the base license, while the bottom shows all the licenses that can be added on as an attached license. Another module in the Dynamics 365 platform is Business Central. Business Central is an accounting and ERP module. There are 2 license types for Business Central, Premium and Essentials. You can add the sales and customer services licensing to a Business Central license at significantly reduced attached level pricing. Here is a chart that displays what can be a base license and what can be an attached license. There are a few additional sales license types. Sales Premium is a license that includes both the Enterprise Sales License and the Sales Insights license. Sales Insights is an advanced machine learning module. The Relationship Sales license is a single license that includes both the Sales Enterprise Dynamics 365 license and a LinkedIn Sales Navigator license, which is required to use the Dynamics 365 LinkedIn integration. For the Dynamics 365 Marketing Automation module, there are 2 levels of pricing. The first is $1,500 per company per month. There is no per user level licensing with the marketing module. Next is the marketing attached license. That's half of the standard price, but requires you to have 10 or more enterprise level licenses for either sales, customer service, or any of the other enterprise level modules like project service or field service. Note that Microsoft Dynamics 365 Marketing is priced based on the number of contacts that you'll be marketing to. Either one of these prices includes 10,000 contacts that you can market to at any one time. If you need additional contacts, you can purchase additional contact capacity licensing to increase the number of contacts that you're able to market to. Also, if you need to add an additional marketing application, this would be either a production instance or maybe you need a sandbox instance. You'll see the pricing on the screen here for the additional marketing production level license, $500 per month, or an additional non-production or sandbox license at $250 per month. Again, if you need to add more contact capacity, in other words, the number of contacts that you need to market to, above 10,000, you can purchase additional contact capacity add-ons. To add an additional 5,000 contacts is $250 per month. Another option is to purchase 8,000 additional contact capacity for $600 per month. Next, let's cover some additional applications for Dynamics 365 customer engagement applications. As you'll see on this slide, there's a number of different applications that you can add on to either the sales module or the customer service module. For example, if you wanted to add the chat module for the customer service area of the application, which allows agents to interact seamlessly with customers in real time via chat on your website. It's licensed per user, so it would be $60 per user per month. and requires the Customer Service Enterprise base level license. Or maybe you want to add virtual agent capabilities for your customer service area of the Dynamics 365 product. This allows you to create powerful chatbots that you can place on your website to service customer inquiries and questions. To add this module is $1,100 per month and requires the Customer Service Enterprise base level license. I hope this was informative and answered questions about Dynamics 365 pricing and licensing. To talk to a Dynamics 365 licensing expert, give us a call, shoot us an email, or visit our website anytime. We're here to help. Thanks for taking some time to view this video.